Hey guys, what's going on? Josh here. Gonna be doing a video today on how to. Oh, not a how to. God, don't be stupid, Josh, because you don't know how to do anything. Now, I'm gonna show you something, guys. When I had my mic selector cable on this car broke, I discovered this. Now, I've never seen it before, but obviously, as you can tell, if it focuses on that. Come on. Okay, it won't. Alright. As you can tell there, guys, it looks broken. Now, I'm trying to figure out why, but for some reason it's broken. So I'm trying to figure out where it's coming from. 'Cause I don't know. So if you guys comment below what it is, that'll be much appreciated. Because at the same time, it's an annoying thing. So I'm thinking about putting blue back into my car for the Parkers, which looks nice. So whatever you guys think, because at the moment I've got the grey ones in there, and same with my interior. So you got the back one there, and I changed that to grey. They used to be blue, and then I changed them to green, but I didn't like the look of it, so I just went to grey, only because it's much easier and better looking to put on the car. But what I'm going to be doing soon, guys, to my car is, because I'm going to be holding on to it for a while, you see this? I'll be changing this to chrome. And also the door handle, I'll be changing that to chrome. Now, it's a good thing that I know how to get these off, because the first time I had no idea. And then there's a way you can change the color of that, but I don't know if I should bother. Especially this, guys. I'm going to change that to chrome, so I might go everything chrome, because it seems to look good on a silver car. I've also looked at grills for my car. Now, there's a possibility I could get a Ute one put in here. An FG Ute Mark 1. That's the one I'll be after. Yeah. So, no, basically that's what I'm mostly going to do. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Nah, it's alright, guys. It doesn't matter. At least I know how to get it out. So basically, that's what I'm hoping to try and figure out, is how on earth to get that out. Let's check the globes. So yeah, that's what it's meant to do. Now, there's one thing that I did, guys, but this was ages ago, but it's something that is really stupid of me. And you never do it to an FJ, never. So, this boot light, when I had the key in, it stopped going. So never put an FG, never put your key in the ignition just to change the boot light. You always got to have the key out. And it cost me about $10 to get a new fuse put in, because I screwed up the other one. And yeah, and then also, guys, for the boot lights here, that one, yep, I changed them to grey because they look great. I've done the same for Tash's car. basically. Let's see if Tash's car's unlocked. I hope so. Yes, it is. Because... Sorry guys, we're in the Commodore now. So basically, we've got a problem too, but we're going to get it looked at. Is that the boot button. Now when you press it, it's meant to pop, but it doesn't. So we're going to get that looked at. Some models don't have it, I know, but... oh, okay. There they are. So Tasha's got all those sets back over these. I can put them back on. Good. Oh. I've done an LED conversion on this as well, guys. On the headlights. Now, I know many people will tell me, oh, you know, you're not meant to do it and all this crap, but I decided to do it anyway. So, yeah, so the front ones are on. Well, looks like, guys, Tasha's got her nut covers back. All of them. Clicks on like that. So when you hear that click, guys, that's good. You gotta get it right. There we go. Alright. There we go. So, all the wheel covers are back on. Which is good. So there's that one there. Which is good news for Tash. Now I can say we've got all the wheel covers back. Now guys, I'll show you. I'll show you what I've done. So what basically thing I'll do is, oh, only still a bit, just a bit stiff, but not a lot. Now I'll show you guys. So I'll turn this to there, and I'll show you around. Now as you see, it's shining, but there it is. I managed to put that globe in. LED globe. Didn't take long. Did not take long. So basically, yeah. With Tasha's car, it didn't take long because it was such an easy access. But with mine, however, not so easy. Because idiot me didn't realise that instead of going through the bonnet to get the globes out, I could get this out. All I had to do was take this bumper off, all the nuts and all the bolts, get them out and take that out. But I've got the same. But it will tell me off when I got them on, so I can't show yous. Which is unfortunate because I'd have to have the key in, but then my Bluetooth comes on, so... Oh yeah, that's another thing too, guys. These. Now I've looked on a video and apparently you've got to push down. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, that's how you get them off. Oh, I think I just broke the cable or the plastic cover. Oh, I hope not. Oh, that's looking nasty. Oh, that's nasty. Oh. So basically, yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to change them. Oh, I can't believe I nearly just broke it. Same with this, is it? Yeah, we got to be careful with the plastic thing. So I've got to get new ones of them. And I've seen them. You can get tinted ones on apparently eBay. Apparently, I don't know. Basically, guys, I want to change these headlights. I'm going to change them to the LED where they go like that, and it's like a V. So that'll be a good upgrade. I'll do that when I eventually get them. And same with Tasha's car. We're hoping to do the same thing. Where I've seen a lot of them with the whole, I think it's the C like that. But that looks good too. So yeah, eventually, guys, that will happen when I have the money. Hoping it's either tomorrow or even Tuesday to book the car and to get the roadworthy done. I'm hoping, because it'd be good if I can. So basically, yeah. So I'll be ringing up Libsies, see if we can book the car in this week. I'll be paying for the roadworthy. Considering it's not my car, but anyway. It'll be good once that's registered again, because then mine will be going for an upgrade eventually down the track. Ooh. If you guys want me to, I'm going to be putting fog lamps in, but I'm trying to figure out how you get this out without breaking it, and it's a pain. Oh, that's broken. I don't know, but anyway, I'll be doing that. Alright, so basically, guys, that's what I'll be doing. What else is there? Yeah, alright. It's basically, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn the notifications on so you can keep up to date on all the things going on, and an update on the car hopefully tomorrow or Tuesday. The VE I'm talking about, not the VFG, the VE. Right, that's what I should show you guys. Something that I should have done a long time ago. Hang on, I'll zoom it out. Flip the camera. So, got my tab here. That popped my bonnet. So basically, guys. Alright. There it is. Alright. So, a long time ago, guys. Oh yeah, my gas struts is slowly going. A day or two ago, that went low. I've just topped that up myself, because I know how to do it myself. Now, there used to be a one of those, what are they called? Pod filter. And I wasn't meant to have it in my car. So now I've got the normal filter back in. which is a lot better now. And I broke that, the original one. I should show you that too. I'll show you guys what I put in. Basically, so I'll get that off the bin. So there it is in there, guys, the filter. But there's a clamp. Idiot me, broke it, didn't I? So it's fucked. So that's gone, and that's what was in my car. The pod filter there. And I'm glad I took it out, because it wasn't meant for my car. Idiot me, I listened to someone and when I shouldn't have. Yeah, I'm gonna go to a Wreckers, guys. I'm gonna look at what do they call them? I'll look at the door handles for mine and get them chromed, and they won't cost me much. Won't cost me much at all. Oh, and that's another thing I should show you too, guys. Now, I'll pop Tash's bonnet. Her struts are better than mine. Mine are going, and I've got to change them. So I'll pop the tab. So basically, sorry guys, sorry. I'm just trying to move in so I can squeeze myself into here. Now, we're gonna pop this up. Now I've brought Tash a new air filter, because the other one was pretty much cactus. So basically, pop these. Dog's sucking in the background, guys, sorry. I'll deal with him later. Alright, and there it is, guys. The new one. And the car needed it too, so the car needed a new one. Hang on, I'll just, now I've got to put it back in. Let's pop this back in, like so. Ooh, come on. Alright, we'll put the cover on. Do all the bolt, the clips. This is a very easy car, guys, to repair. Like, I do want a Commodore, but in the meantime, I'm going to hold on to my car until I've got the money to pay it off and do the right thing and purchase a new one. And so that's it. That's basically all I've done, guys, and I've done the service on it too, which didn't take me long. The only thing I've got to check when she can run her car is I've got to check her transmission fluid, because you've got to keep checking that. The only thing that's wrong with this car is the yeah, that's the only thing that's got to get done to it. So we've got to get the fuel sender put in it. So anyway, guys, I'll end the video here. I'll go back inside and do what I have to do with Tash, and yeah. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and yeah. Alright, peace.